Do you want to draw on Instagram chat? You can doodle an Instagram chat message with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To draw on Instagram chat. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on the message icon at the top right corner of the screen to open your chat inbox. Now, open the chat with the person you want to send a drawing or doodle. You are now on the chat conversation screen. At the bottom of the chat screen, tap on the plus icon. A pop-up menu will appear with different options. Select Draw from here. A drawing toolbar will appear. Choose a color and adjust the brush thickness as you like. Now, draw or doodle freely on the chat message using your finger. If you make a mistake, tap on the undo arrow or use the eraser tool to fix it. Once your drawing is ready, tap on the send button to share it in the chat. Your friend will now receive your doodle drawing directly in their Instagram messages.